What if the future of discipline it's not about willpower anymore? It's about algorithms. Think about it. AI can already tell you what to eat, when to train, when to rest. It tracks your heart rate, your sleep, your calories, and nowadays it even tracks your mood. Some of you literally wake up and check your hoop bracelet before you even check how you feel. You're letting an algorithm decide whether you're tired, motivated, or allowed to push yourself today. You've outsourced your self-awareness to a battery-powered bracelet and you call that discipline. Oh wait, you call that a watch without showing you the time. Welcome to the new world, where machines don't just manage your life, they manage you. Every day AI is learning about your behaviors, your routines, your weaknesses, your dopamine triggers. It notices when you skip a workout. It knows when you scroll on the phone too long. And it even knows the exact hour you start losing your focus. And then it gently pushes you back. Take a deep breath. Drink more water. Go for a walk. Do your 10K steps. Sounds nice, right? Helpful. Efficient, someone would say. But here's the question. Who's really in control? Because you're not choosing your actions anymore. You're reacting to a machine that's training you back. You're being controlled by your own tools. That's a feedback loop that rewards obedience and punishes independence. It could feel like progress, but slowly you start losing the ability to decide for yourself. You're no longer building discipline, you're just following prompts from a machine. Because the system has learned to make you feel responsible while keeping you dependent on them. True discipline is not about perfect tracking, it's not about optimizing your steps, your macros, or your heart rate. It's about choosing discomfort when you don't have to. Because here's the truth, AI can remove friction, but friction is what forges strength. If you remove every obstacle, you also remove every chance to grow for yourself. We've built a world obsessed with comfort, and now even our discipline is becoming comfortable. Machines will remind you to focus, but they will never teach you how to resist. Apps can track your consistency, but they can't give you commitment. Only you can do that through struggle, repetition, failures, and conscious choice. And this just doesn't stop at personal life. Entire companies are now using AI to measure employees' performance, optimize their habits, and score productivity. Smart cities nowadays track movements, sleep, consumptions, and people behavior. It's no longer just about discipline, it's about control disguised as efficiency. When every decision you make is pre-optimized, do you still own that decision? And in my understanding, we're heading toward the two-tiered world where the ones who use AI to amplify their potential are the ones who let AI dictate it. The first group uses AI technology as a tool, the second becomes the tool. But here's the beautiful part. It doesn't have to be one or the other. AI is not the enemy, it's a mirror. It reflects your discipline back at you. It amplifies your patterns, good or bad. If you lack intention, it will run your life. But if you lead with clarity, it will multiply with results. Think of AI like a GPS. It shows you the fastest route, but you still have to know the destination. And the goal is not about to reject technology, it's to master it before it masters you. In a world where machines can build everything, discipline will be the last human superpower. Because AI can optimize your habits, but it can't create meaning. It can remove friction, but it can't replace your will. Every time you choose the hard path when no one is watching, you're proving something that no algorithm can replicate. That's the conscious choice. The struggles, the failure, the mess. That's what makes discipline yours. The future doesn't belong to the most automated. It belongs to the most aware. The next revolution is not about machines replacing humans. It's about who controls who. the system, or yourself? If this video shifted how you see the future, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's starting to forget what real discipline looks like, because the war for control has already started, and everything begins with you. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.